Good morning. Action. I know, in the hat. I look like a coach. Nope.
So we're all gonna do early. Your friends
Okay, let's take a selfie before
we get founded. I'm like not even scared anymore. We've been through worse.
Ooh. Yeah, you're so far. Are you guys in here?
Yeah, but maybe the other way.
Oh wait, okay, there we go.
I'm not in.
Wait, Lena, get in here.
I need to get more of that. I don't think you and Steph are in the picture.
We're not. You are. Oh.
That's
Alright. Let's go catch some waves. Maybe this one.
That's the only way you can see them.
Yeah, bruh. Paddle hard, paddle hard.
Okay, coach. Next coach.
Oh my god. No? Super. But we're gonna hang out on the inside. Try and catch some inside peelers. I'll try. My strategy worked. The insiders. Okay. I think I'm gonna catch a few more in, make it a short session so I can be productive today and get some things done. Great. worst possible place. Was definitely in the worst possible place there. These girls are just cruising. Just cruise us. Is that the new red one? Oh my God. I gotta come check. Steph, hi. Oh wow. Yeah.
It's an 8-6, but it's
8-6. Thanks. You look dark. You look dark. Pasta. Hi. Good. How are you? Oh, thank you. Oh my God. Yeah, you're gonna be on the next one.
3 of us.
Ooh. No. Oh shit. We totally. get for filming. That's what I get for filming. Heading back in. Session was fun. Had some fun ones. The first wave was probably the wave of the day. But you know, sometimes that's how it goes. And it's just nice to be out. Got a lot to do on this Saturday. Gotta edit, gotta freaking sort out all my YouTube stuff, social medias. Trying to get that influencer YouTube situation happen. And I can make some more videos. I was thinking about getting a new camera, maybe the Osmo. I keep hearing good things about the Osmo, but we'll see. Hope you guys have a great rest of your Saturday. Get out there and surf.